The food businesses that fail have one thing in common. It's not bad food, it's that nobody knew they existed. Marketing is not optional, it's oxygen. No marketing, no customer, no business. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact marketing system to build buzz before you open. Flood your opening weeks with customers and keep them coming back month after month. And most of what I'm going to show you is completely free. In section 1, build before you open, 6 to 8 weeks out. Here is the mistake I see every single food business make. They open the door and then start marketing. That's backwards. You need to start marketing 6 to 8 weeks before you open. By the time you open, people should already excited and waiting. So what we have to do? Step 1, Google Business Profile. Do this today. 87% of people use Google Business to find local businesses. That means when someone search pizza near to me or best pizza in Manchester, best pizza in Birmingham, you need to show up. Google Business Profile is completely free. Set it up immediately. Add photos, your opening hours, your address, your phone number. Ask your first customer to leave a Google review. This is your number 1 free marketing tool. Step 2, social media. Start before you open. Create Instagram, TikTok and Facebook page as soon as you have a name for your business. Post behind the scene content, the fit out, the kitchen being set up, the menu being created. People love to follow a story. We are opening in 6 weeks. Builds anticipation. Before you have food photos, share your team, your space, your inspiration. Step 3, build an email list from day 1. Set up a simple landing page, even just a link in bio, offering 10% off your first order in exchange for an email address. Every email address you collect is a customer you can reach directly. It's free forever. This is more valuable than any social media follower because you own the list. Section 2. Your grand opening strategy. Your opening week is your most important marketing moment. You need to get as many people through the door or ordering as possible because those first customers become your word of mouth army. Invite 5 to 10 local micro influencer for a free testing. People with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, give them great food, great service, ask them to share. That's test targeted, trusted marketing. Offer a launch discount, 20% off for the first week. Promote it everywhere. Contact local press, even a small local newspaper or a community Facebook group. Run a campaign on Instagram. Win a free meal with 2. Follow us and tag a friend. Low cost, high reach. Put a signage on your unit 2 weeks before opening. Opening soon with your social media handle. The goal of opening week is simple. Get as many positive reviews as possible on Google, on Just Eat, on Deliveroo. Actively ask every happy customer, send a follow-up message. A business with 55-star reviews in week 1 is going to rank higher and convert more new customers than one with 0. Make getting reviews part of your process from day 1. Section 3, ongoing social media strategy. Once you open, you need a consistent content calendar. You don't need to post 10 times a day, but you need to be consistent. Here is what works in 2026. How you will do that one? Say for example, Instagram, 4 to 6 posts per week, food photography, your hero dishes plated beautifully, behind the scenes, kitchen prep, stuff, delivery bags going out, customer testimonial, screenshot of positive reviews and share them in social media, promotions, weekly special, combo deal, limited time offers. Also we can use TikTok Reels, 2 to 3 shorts videos per week, cooking process video, time-lapse satisfying food content, a day in the life of your kitchen, trending sound with the food, stay current, authentic beats polished. A shaky phone video of a great dish beats a perfect ad. So don't be scared, don't be feel shame, just post it and engage daily. Reply every comments, like local business post, follow local community accounts. Social media is social. You have to actually participate, not just to be a broadcaster. Section 4, email marketing, your secret weapon. While everyone's fighting over Instagram followers, smart food businesses are building email lists. Here's why: a social media post reach maybe 5% of your followers organically. An email goes to 100% of your list. So how you can email to your customer? Send a weekly email newsletter. Send birthday emails. It's your birthday this month. Here is a free drinks. Re-engagement email. We haven't seen you a while. Here is 15% off your next order. Now you can question that, how do I do this email? Send one by one? No. You can use HubSpot, free for up to 2000 contacts, or you can use MailChimp, free tier, easy to use. Beehive, great for newsletter, free to start. Number 5, loyalty programs. A loyal customer is worth 5 new customers because they keep coming back. They spend more each time and they refer their friends for free. Build loyalty from day one, like punch card, 10 orders to 1 free appetizer or drink. Simple, physical, work brilliantly. Birthday special, collect customer buzz when they sign up to your email listing. Send them something special. High conversion. Refer scheme, refer a friend, both get £5 off. Words of mouth with an intensive. 2026 marketing trends to keep in mind: short form video is king. Use engagement content. Photo your customer post is the highest trusted marketing available. And micro influencer, those 1k to 10k followers account, give better ROI than paying a big celebrity. Use your post data to personalize your marketing. If someone always order vegan, send them your new vegan special. Data-driven, personalized marketing is the future. Marketing is the difference between a food business that survives and one that thrives. Build your presence before you open. Go hard on opening week. Stay consistent on social media and build your email list from day one. The businesses winning in 2026 are the ones that market like they mean it. Final video in this series: startup cost and your launch timeline. I'm going to give you the complete numbers breakdown so you know exactly how much you need and when you need. So the next video will be our last video of this series. Hopefully I will be see you on there. If you have a business, if you want to start a business, if you like business, or you already engage with a business, you can follow this channel. It will be help you a lot. Hopefully I will be see you on next video. Peace be upon you.